It's Mike here with AutoAnything.com. Today we're going to take a closer look at the PowerStop Z23 Evolution Brake Kit. The PowerStop Z23 Evolution Brake Kit is the perfect upgrade for anybody looking for better than stock braking performance. To start, the rotors are machined to match OEM specifications perfectly. That means you don't have to change anything. There's no modifications required to get this brake kit to fit. The rotors are of course cross-drilled and slotted to aid in braking cooling and performance. They're also zinc coated, which is going to help prevent against any corrosion. Now their brake pads are a specialty carbon ceramic formula. And what's cool about this is they are very dust free, as well as they resist heat fade. So if you brake hard into a corner, or just say you're coming up to something a little bit too quickly, those brakes are going to work and they're not going to start to get soft or spongy due to the added heat. Now this isn't for all vehicles, but for a lot of vehicles they do have a caliper option as well. And that means you can get their brake kit as rotors and pads, or rotors, pads, and calipers. Now their calipers are all rebuilt, pressure tested, and powder coated red for a cool look, as well as the added corrosion protection. Now their brake kits come with all of the hardware that's required as well. So again, there's no modification that's needed to your vehicle, and anything that's going to need to be replaced during the brake change is all included when it's purchased together as a kit. PowerStop makes sure that you have everything that's needed for the job. Get yours here today at AutoAnything.com.